2 weeks ago, I posted a video that I wasn't going to pre-order the new Apple iPhone XR and would instead spend my Christmas bonus on a Panasonic Lumix G7 camera and a processor, motherboard, memory replacement for my PC. Rather than have a general device that was both a camera and a powerful computer in my pocket, I would have two specialized devices that would help me to make more content for YouTube and social media. If you haven't seen that video, the link can be found in the card above or the description below. And this week, Apple announced the new MacBook Air, Mac Mini, and iPad Pro for 2018. Now, I don't know what to get with my Christmas bonus in December. My name is CD Reimer and welcome to my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to see more videos like this. In this video, I will only be talking about the new Mac Mini, as I have no interest in the MacBook Air or iPad Pro. After 4 long years, Apple finally refreshed the hardware specs for the Mac Mini with Intel's current 8th generation processor. The base model has a processor similar to the i3 8100 with quad cores at 3.6 GHz, 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and 128 GB of flash storage. I told a friend that since Apple raised the price for the entry-level iPhone XR to $750, that the entry-level Mac Mini would also be $750. Not surprisingly, Apple raised the price from $499 to $799. Memory is upgradable on the new Mac Mini, so I recommend buying the base model and upgrading the memory OWC modules that cost significantly less than what Apple charges for memory. I got an email from OWC shortly after Apple's announcement that their new memory modules were available for pre-order. Here are the memory sizes, prices, and discounts from what Apple charges. 16 GB is $170 or 15% off. 32 GB is $330 or 45% off. 64 GB is $1,080 or 23% off. The 16 and 32 GB modules will ship next week after the Mac Mini comes out on November 7th. And the 64 GB modules will ship later in the month. While you could probably find cheaper memory modules on Newegg, OWC extensively tests their modules on Mac hardware and has a great warranty service. A link to the OWC website can be found in the description below. After 4 long years since my legendary black 2006 MacBook stopped working after the CPU fan died, I may have found its replacement in the new Mac Mini.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
Could I buy a Mac Mini and OWC memory modules with my Christmas bonus in December? Yes. Should I get that instead of a Panasonic Lumix G7 camera and a processor, motherboard, memory replacement for my PC? I don't know. The Mac is a great platform for web development and programming, which I'm planning to get back into for 2019. As for video editing and rendering on the Mac Mini, most users get either a maxed out Mac or build a maxed out PC that costs a lot less. If I expanded my budget from $1,000 to $1,500, I could get a Mac Mini and the Panasonic Lumix G7 camera. That would also mean I'm taking $500 away from something else that I designated for my Christmas bonus. What I get with my Christmas bonus is something I need to figure out between now and Christmas. Leave a comment below on what you think I should get with my Christmas bonus. Thank you for watching.